Hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl Cassie. Today I'm doing another noodle video because, well, they're quick and easy, and delicious. Let me just put my hair back because it's already annoying me. Okay. It's gonna annoy me like that too though. Ugh. Oh. Just leave it down, I guess. I am eating the Samyang black bean noodles today. Cole and Jackson are behind me. They are just, well, they were just starting to wake up, so we might get a little interruption, but it'll be a cute one, so it's not the worst thing that could happen during a video, I guess, right? So there's one whole packet. See, squeeze, maybe a little more. I'm doing just 2 packs today because, I don't know. Should have made something else to go with it because I don't know if this will be filling. Oh, Jax, what's the matter? Mommy just wants to eat and I don't want to get hot spicy sauce on you. Oh no. Oh no. Here it comes. Okay. Here, buddy. You want your binky? You want your binks? I'll pick you up in a few minutes when I'm all done eating, okay? Oh goodness. This might be tough. Okay. Anyways, let's stir this up. They're both squiggling and squeaking back there. I think they might be trying to go to the bathroom because they both just ate, and it usually happens pretty quickly after that, you know. They have very short intestines. Doesn't take long to get through, I guess. I wanted to mix some cheese in here and hopefully it will melt. You think it'll melt? Oh, baby boy. No, this was a bad timing. Eek. Let's wait a few minutes to eat, I guess. Okay. The noodles have to cool a little first anyway. Say hi, Jackson. Say hello, everybody. Hi. My name is Jackson, and I'm a cutie pie. Oh, you had a burpee? Was that why you were squiggly and crying? Poor pumpkin. He had some gassies. Oh goodness, don't lose the binks. No losing the binks. My goodness. So yeah, this is what I've been doing all day, just hanging out with my babes. Scarlett went to her daddy's house a little while ago. So me and the boys are just hanging. We're just hanging. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You just keep spitting that out, huh? You gonna eat those spicy noodles? I don't think so. I don't think you should eat those. I think it would hurt your belly right now, little boy. I don't know if he's gonna go for me putting him down. He's just looking all over. He's so wide awake. I don't even want to put him down. I don't. No, I do not, because you're just such a little cutie munchkins. Do you want to go into swing, maybe? You could go rocky, 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 rocky. Oh, big yawn. Wow. Wow, that was a big yawn. Okay, let me go put you in your swing. Are you obsessed with your mommy? You are, and I love that about you. I do. It's so sweet. Okay. Let's go for a bite. You're okay. Something. Oh, cheers. This is my first time having black bean noodles since I was pregnant. I feel like my spice tolerance is going back up now that I'm not pregnant. Because like my taste buds, they change so much when I'm pregnant. It's pretty wild. Whoa. Cheers. Uh-oh. Like I said, I don't think 2 packs is going to be enough for me today. They're already almost gone, you guys. I was having like the hardest time deciding what to eat today. And finally, since I like couldn't decide anything, I just went, I'm just gonna have ramen noodles again. So here I am. Not a bad choice though, because these noodles are tasting bomb diggity today. Look at them. Oh yeah. Surprisingly, last time I had ramen, last week, on my mukbang, the next time I pumped after, like pumped my milk, I got a lot of milk, and I was like, damn, is that from the ramen noodles? I don't know if it was. I mean, I also had like 3 cups of milk, which might have helped with my own milk production, but I was like, Well, that works. But don't know how nutrient rich the milk is, so there is that. He just rolled his eyes at me. Well, that's all. I knew I should have eaten more or gotten more to eat. I'm gonna drink some more milk. Not a whole glass, just a half. Cheers. Oh, hi, Jack. You're okay. Hey, I made it though. I was able to eat my whole plate without Jackson getting mad. Okay, I don't have spicy fingers. Just wanted to make sure before. Oh, are you gonna spit up? You look like you're gonna have a little spit ups. I don't want to kiss him though because I have all the spice on my face. Oh, and their little baby sensitive baby skin. My mouth is like starting to burn now. Lose reaction. Oh, I wish it was sunny outside. It's been like cloudy for the last few days. And it's supposed to be cloudy for the next few days. And cloudy days just really actually get to my mood and my whole being. I try not to let it, but it really does. Especially when I'm already been in like kind of like a lull. I don't know how I'm in a lull because I got these cute, beautiful babies. It's not about you guys. Don't worry. Oh, no. Look at them. Look how cute she is. Oh. So funny because, like, he's probably not that adorable as I think he is. Because, like, all newborn babies kind of are weird looking. Oh, I'm sorry. I was just kidding. Mama's kidding. I didn't say that. No. Yes, I did. But, I like look back at Scarlett's baby pictures and I used to be like, oh my god, she's the cutest thing in the whole world. And now when I look back at her newborn pictures, I'm like, ooh, oh gosh, yeah, she is so cute. But you are, and she was. Just not the way I saw her and you, like, you know what I mean. Whew, it's getting hot in here now. Whew. Anyways, I guess since I'm not eating and I'm just plopping around with my baby, I guess I can let you guys go. I'm gonna have to go change this little guy's diaper, I think. He's getting a little fussy because of that, I think. Yeah. Can you smell the spice on mommy's plate? Oh, that's some spicy smelling stuff, huh? Hazelnut, that's spicy. Are you waving? You say bye, guys. Thanks for watching Mommy's channel. Say, catch you on the flip side. We'll see you on Friday.